In this video, we'll show you how quick and easy it is to install Brake Plus into your vehicle. First, locate the tools required for this installation. Locate your third brake light access panel. Remove your third brake light access panel. Locate your third brake light wiring harness. Unplug if necessary. Now, locate your positive and negative wire. Now, take the T-tap, clamp it into the ground wire, and make sure the T-tap snaps and locks. Locate the positive wire and cut. Take the positive wire and strip off the insulation from both sides, leaving about a 1/4 inch of copper wire exposed. Now, grab your Brake Plus module and tap down all the connectors so no metal is exposed. Take the end of the positive wire that goes towards the light and crimp on the yellow wire of your Brake Plus module. Take the other end of the positive wire that comes from the battery. Take the red wire from the Brake Plus module, insert the wire into the bullet connector and crimp. Now locate the T-tap you previously installed on your ground wire. Insert the black wire into the T-tap until you hear it snap. Now that your Brake Plus module is correctly installed, properly stow away the module into the vehicle and reinstall your access panel, then close the rear hatch. Now that you're done with your installation, let's make sure your third brake light is working properly. Have someone hit the brake while you stand behind the vehicle. Your third brake light should pulse 4 times every time they hit the brake. Thank you for watching this video and for your purchase of Brake Plus. Be safe out there.